journey take you where it wants to. We'll continue to find our way through anything we face. We got what it takes. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
It's my birthday today and we're flying to Kuala Lumpur. Excited.
Suddenly I'm seeing everything so different. Like I'm looking at the world through a brand new lens. Every shade of green and blue, and it's all because of you. I'm seeing everything. You make me wanna celebrate.
Morning, Kuala Lumpur! Bago pa mag-ingay. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel! So today it's March 15 and we are here in Kuala Lumpur. It's officially our day 1. Nakarating kami dito mga around 12 midnight already. So, ngayon pala magsisimula ang araw namin. It's Sunday, so ang itinerary natin today is mag-misa muna tayo. Then after that, we will already explore the city. Wala pa kaming mga kain. And this is our Airbnb unit. Ito yung ating binook. Studio room siya, pero malaki siya. Ayan. So I'll take you guys with us as we explore Kuala Lumpur. Guys, update! Namali ako ng pin ng simbahan. So, hindi kami nakamisa. Ngayon, we'll have our branch here at one of the famous. Gutom ka na, Dad?
Yes.
Gutom na siya. Dito
Let's
sa...
take it brunch.
Let's take it brunch.
Chinese diseases.
It's Restaurant Yutki. Photo ops muna sila. There. Ano siya. So we're done with the lunch and we'll now start with our tour. This one's the first one is for here at the National Mosque. Yeah, so we'll experience their culture. We have to wear all of this. Ano lang, dito sila all nag-review. Hey guys, so now we're inside the prayer hall. Dito nag-pray talaga yung mga Muslim. Allowed naman to take pictures, pero syempre, so speak with quietness and respect pa din. afternoon and we're here at Lot 10 Mall. Siguro mga pangatlong mall na namin ito. We've been to Pavilion and then we went to what's the other one? Fahrenheit. And then we went to here. This is the third one, no? Lot 10. And nandito kami ngayon, bagong-bago, sa Coffee Bean. Coffee kami. Dahil requested ng aking father. Hello ka muna sa vlog.
Hi.
Hi, vlog.
Vlog.
Yan, dahil wala pa daw siyang coffee for the day. Tapos alam niyo ba, mayroong isa dito, masaya siya. Hindi siya papangalanan. Kasi meron agad siyang nabili, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan yung nabili niya, oh. Nagtatago siya. Huwag natin siya ipakita. Ayan, nakabili siya agad. And then, meron din pala dito Donkey. Akala ko sa Hong Kong, Japan lang meron nun. So, meron din pala here. Meron kami nabili. There. That's for our dinner already and for our breakfast tomorrow. Ayan. So, guys, so far, Kuala Lumpur is bigger than Vietnam.
Here pa na siya. May bayad 50 cents.
There. So, I will see na nga lang matcha natin.
Sige.
Taste test. Taste test, guys. Guys, parang-para siya ng lasa ng sa Philippines. Pero, I could say, na very matcha din siya. It's very matcha here. Mga in-order nila. We have bagel. And then, her iced tea. Cappuccino. And then, iced free chocolate. So while they're enjoying their bagel, we will open this takoyaki that we bought in Donkey. Excited na ako. Sana masarap. Oh, okay. Ayan siya, guys.
energy.
Walang sauce.
Bagel.
Taste test.
Smoked ako yakit isa. Wala, inubos lahat ng bonito.
Harap naman siya.
At good morning.
Good morning, vlog. It's officially our day 2 and we're wearing the same pantulog from last night. Unahan ko na kayo, syempre. Kahit kayo magtaka, ha? Isa lang baon yung pantulog? O diba, unahan ko na kayo. So right now, we're having breakfast. I'm having cup noodle seafood. Walang ganito sa Philippines. Charis. We bought this at Donkey. Ito naman yung sa kanila. Ayan. And then this one. Ayan. So, usapan today, maaga gigising, maaga maglalayag para hindi abutan ng init. And time check, 7 o'clock na. Hindi pa rin sila gumagalaw.
Dilim pa yun.
Madilim pa. Okay talaga. Madilim pa nga. Yung 7 nila dito, guys, madilim pa.
Parang 6.
Parang 6 lang. Parang kaka 6 o'clock lang. Ganun. So, for today's itinerary, malalaman nyo yun mamaya. Kasi pag sinabi ko ngayon, wala na ako sasabihin mamaya. Let's enjoy first our breakfast. Arrived. Almost 20 minutes of travel going here via Grab. We're about to enter Batu Caves already. Look how tall. I feel so small. And the pictography begins.
I wake up to you in the morning. Tell me how you feeling. Seem like your body don't know how to.
Guys! Ang daming tao, pero laban lang. Siguro kung maaga, mga alas 6. ferry lang. So it's around 9:30 already. And I'm not sure kung aakyat kami dahil mataas.
Oh, my baby. So anything God is mine, God is mine. So the next time you don't feel right, ain't gonna be a next time. I'ma take the pain and trade you for some better days.
Hi guys, so now we will buy a ticket, train ticket going to KLC.
Sige sa kayo, kalong na kami. O, kalong. Yes! Yay! Kakalungan mo kami.
One, two. Parang sold. Resibo na tong isa. Perfect! Pasok. Okay.
Tapos paglabas ka. Open sesame.
Let's go. So we're now in Bata Caves, ATM station. It's our first time to try their train. We're heading to KL Central, and then we're gonna ride another train after that because we're heading to Central Market. Kasi yung gusto ng mga parents ay mag-buy ng kung ano-ano, pasalubong lang. So, tinanggal ko na yung itinerary ko and just go on with the flow na lang kung anong gusto nila. Since this trip actually, it's my birthday celebration and my gift also to my daddy, but it's also my gift to them last Christmas. So, sinurprise ko sila that they're going here in Malaysia. So, this is for them naman. It's all expense paid. So, gagawin natin yung mga gusto lang nilang gawin for this trip. So, right now, we're waiting for the train. Nandiyan na ata yung train. Let's see. Train is here. Nice. Okay lang yan. Hindi, coach for ladies lang. Ibig sabihin. Okay lang yan.
Oh, sa front seat.
Yes.
LRT, ready to take off. Fasten your seatbelt.
There's no seatbelt. We're going to Central Market. Okay. Dahil gusto nila kumain, it's almost lunchtime at mamimili. Wow! Dami kayong baon. So we're now here in Central Market, second floor at their food court. We will have our lunch. So we have here first laksa. Finally, legit laksa. Fresh laksa.
I like the tofu. It's bawas na.
Maganda yung makita mo may kumukuha. Alam, picture lang.
Oh, mom, taste it.
What drinks do you have, Sisi?
We have ice bandung. It's mixture of rose syrup, milk, and ice.
And what? And then,
This is rose syrup ice. Just the same, but this one does have milk.
we'll taste them both. Okay. First, the bandung.
Alam mo, ito kasi dapat yan, may ganito pa masaya.
Refreshing. Matamis. Lasang gulaman na sarap. And then, the other one,
Less sugar to kaya hindi matamis.
rose something. Ano nga? Rose.
Rose syrup.
Yeah, rose syrup but less syrup because this one's
Pero
from
bandung din yan.
for mommy. Matabang.
Pero same taste.
Yeah, I like the other one because it has milk. We're just waiting for our lunch. Hi guys! So, live update. Kanina, umuwi kami kasi na-tired kami talaga. Nag-grocery kami. And then now, pupunta kami doon sa mga lugar na hindi namin napuntahan yesterday. Like, the Merdeka Squares. Hindi ko uso sa kanila yung kaliwa kanan, may tatabi ka. Talagang babanggain mo sila. Naglalakad kami ngayon sa parang bridge nila na katugtong kasi nito is yung trend nila na isa, which is yung LRT. Pero yan yung nagre-reklamo na nga sila sa paglalakad, diba? Yung ang ganda ng kanilang footbridge. Very colorful, very trans, very pride, you know. Tsaka lukang ayos-ayos ng paligid. Yeah, so we're here at the Merdeka Square. This is where their country flag is raised. Ayan siya guys. Ayan. And then there's this gallery at the back. Sobrang ganda. Yun lang. Hanapin namin yung I Love KL na sculpture. Mapapicture kami doon. We're finally oh my God. Grabe. So ganda. So ganda! Good morning! It's our last full day here in Kuala Lumpur and we are here inside the Sunway Velocity Mall kasi gusto pa nila mag-shop for themselves. So last night after we visited the Petronas Towers, we had our dinner lang at KLCC Surya KLCC yung mall. So kumain kami dun sa food court and then I think that's the latest na that we got home around 10 o'clock na siya ng gabi. And then kanina nagising kami na very very late na mga 7:30. So right now it's just 10 and we'll make this time like very sulit, worthwhile. Kung ano pa yung pwede namin mabili for the day. Kanila guys, yung paakit nila ng escalator nasa kaliwa. Doon naman sa kabila, pababa. Ayan. So dito tayo sa kaliwa. Lagi sa lahat, lagi nasa left side yung paakit nila. Magkakit kayo ng mall, ng grocery. Let's go! Sabi nila, marami ka daw mabibili dito dahil sale. So let's see. Bago lang ito na branch dito sa Malaysia, yung Bransford. Let's go! Okay guys, it's for real. May mga Michael Kors na brand dito. This one's like around 9,000. And then meron ding mga Nautica. This one, Nautica. Yan, kagaya na to. Nautica, parang 2,500 lang siya. And then, ito, parang famous brand siya sa Amazon. Medyo cheaper to. Itong mga Jenny brands. Ayan, 119 Malaysian ringgit lang. Maraming mga bags. And then, meron pa here. Yan, Unclean. So, ayoko ng mga ganito eh. May mga DKNY. For Tida, nasa bags pa lang tayo. So, parang makakabili talaga tayo dito. Let's see what we can buy here. There, so it's almost lunchtime. Kakain na tayo. We're here at A&W. If you know it, famous sila sa root beer nila. And they have a very, very, very big root beer. This is my favorite soft drinks. If you know, you know. And then nag-order yung aking order. Fries and hotdog. And then sila nag-order sila ng chicken. Davis.
Kahit wala kang kasamang pagkain eh. Wala kang kasamang pagkain.
Drink.
Saan natin tequila?
Wow, sarap.
Miss! Sarap. Sarap.
make this stop with more time. It's not right. Don't make this hard. I'm not.
Love this place. And we're back.